The entrance qualifications to piloting are stringent. A person needs to be a fully qualified and licensed master in their own right, with at least 8 years sea experience as a licensed officer on the British Columbia coast. After a great deal of study and an exacting physical evaluation, a rigorous examination on local knowledge is held, consisting of written and oral parts. Once passed, the candidates are offered an apprenticeship as a pilot. Training is strongly emphasized for all pilots, apprentice and senior alike. With continuous innovations in navigation and in the design of ships, every pilot must study to keep current with the latest technology. They travel to facilities which specialize in marine pilot training. The Star Center offers 360-degree bridge simulations where pilots can learn what may happen following certain helm and engine orders.
Ease to 10.
The simulator responds to the helm as a ship would, and as it can be programmed to simulate any type of ship in any type of weather, it has proven to be a very effective training tool.
Tug on the port bow, push full.
Port Revel in the French Alps is a man-made lake which has been configured to simulate narrow waterways, harbors, and canals. Here, our BC Marine pilots go for basic and advanced training on a rotation basis. With ships built to exact scale and fitted with all the latest navigational equipment, pilots can experience realistic handling of many types of ships in a safe environment in a short time frame.
Hard to starboard.
Hard to starboard.
Slow ahead.
Slow ahead.
Pilots are able to try new techniques in a facility where a mistake will not be a problem. Classroom theory is also offered.
Midship.
BC Coast pilots meet pilots from many other jurisdictions in this facility. This allows opportunities to exchange information and experience with other mariners in the camaraderie of people with a respect for the sea.
Traffic to parking, we're underway from Crofton now.
Well, the first responsibility is to, when you go on board, is to check the ship, make yourself familiar with it, introduce myself to the captain, and establish a pilot-master relationship, and decide how the trip's going to go.
An essential factor in safely navigating through our crowded waters is effective communications.
Hello, Captain.
Yes, pilot.
Captain Bill Monroe, Coast Pilot. Pleased to meet
The pilot becomes the nexus through which all communications can flow.
you. So how are things going on the ship, Captain?
Immediately upon entering the bridge, the pilot must exchange essential information with the bridge crew.
Our deepest draft, Captain.
What is the draft? Is the ship functioning properly? Will it answer the helm?
Now, is everything working fine in the ship, Captain? Radars,
He must let the
What
crew
we'll do
know
is
what he
we'll
will
lift the bow
require
off, we'll
and the
get
route
him
he
on
will be
the
taking.
inside to push the bow right around, okay? And we'll have the tug on the starboard quarter, and he can push, just turn the ship right off of the berth. Sun, all stop, and just idle on, okay?
While underway, the pilot communicates with vessel traffic services and with other vessels in the area to ensure their movements are coordinated to properly share the shipping
Come
lanes.
to 260, please. 260. Thanks, Captain.
Wolf's line is up, Bill, and we're just making her fast now.
Okay.
He must talk to the tugboat captains who will be assisting him with docking, to give instructions, but also to receive information about prevailing conditions.
Stop engine. Stop engine.
All vessels are requested to provide this vessel a clear channel. Thanks for the traffic out.
During open fishing days, the shipping lanes can be clogged with professional fishermen, making the most of their small window of opportunity to make a living. This adds to the pilot's worries as he tries to ease his ship through the congestion. He cannot see vessels close to his bows. He cannot see nets and floats. He must stick to his narrow shipping lane and trust the fishermen to keep clear.
Canada, of course, having the largest coastline in the world, does have many dangers, and the West Coast is probably an area where it is very dangerous. Very high tides, winds, the weather conditions are often very changing. So it's important that you have the local expertise, and pilots have it all. They have this expertise, and they make sure that traffic moves efficiently and safely. And this is a great asset. Any port that has this advantage of a competent pilotage organization is a viable port, is an important port, is a port that's successful.
Vancouver traffic, you are correct. That is Victoria Pilots calling you. They would like you to switch to 17.
7, okay.
You are going down to Port Lock Point then and around that way?
Yeah, we'll go port lock.
Very good, thank you. And one additional for you is the Maine Queen, just leaving Schwartz Bay now for Otter Bay.
Roger, thanks.
77, Tom?
Yes, sir. How are you doing, Bob?
You're looking good there, Cap.
Yeah, okay, Bob. Have a nice trip. Another cushy job you have.
They're all cushy jobs.
Second Narrows.
Yeah, Second Narrows, the Pioneer Spirit tanker. We're just in English Bay. We'll be going through the bridge eastbound at 2110.